Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken Uppu Kari using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 kilogram of chicken, cut into medium-sized pieces. Also, prepare 2 large onions, 3 green chilies, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt to your preference. This dish is incredibly flavorful and surprisingly straightforward to prepare. Now, let's get started with the preparation. Begin by marinating your chicken pieces with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of salt. Let this sit for about 15 minutes to infuse the flavors. While the chicken marinates, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over a steady medium flame. Then, add your finely chopped onions, ginger, and green chilies, sautéing them until they become beautifully fragrant and translucent. Once your aromatics are perfectly sautéed, it's time to introduce the star of our dish. Carefully add the marinated chicken pieces to the pan. Stir everything together well, ensuring the chicken is coated with the onion mixture. Cook this for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent any sticking and to ensure even browning. Then, cover the pan and let it simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the chicken to cook through. As the chicken finishes simmering, check for tenderness and adjust the salt if needed. The chicken should be perfectly cooked and juicy. For a final touch, generously garnish your chicken Uppu Kari with freshly chopped coriander leaves. This adds a wonderful aroma and freshness. Your delicious, easy chicken Uppu Kari is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with steamed rice or warm roti for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.